how to copy trades inside Tradovate. Absolutely free. They call them groups. We're going to teach you how to set up Tradovate groups so you could trade multiple Apex accounts through Tradovate and have those trades copied across all of those. So I literally just filmed that entire video, messed around in Tradovate, kind of customizing settings. So it's going to look different than the rest of the video, but I skipped the most important step. And that is you actually have to turn it on. So you have to go to your settings, add-ons. There's other stuff you could add in here. Free indicators. But what you need to do is activate group trade. And then if you do want to use TradingView, group trades will not work, but we have another video talking about how to set up TradingView. So do that, and then the rest of the video will play out. Can't believe I missed the most important part. A lot of you probably would have been mad at me. Hey everyone, now that I have switched over to Tradovate, I want to do a quick video of how to set up groups. It's pretty simple, but I thought it would be something we should cover here. So first things first, you're going to have to get your login from Apex so you could log in. Now once you log in, you go to simulation, launch. And now I already have it set up, but you should click right here after you bought multiple accounts. They should all be linked here. So to set up a group, you're going to hit manage groups. You're going to hit the plus. I just named mine 25K eval so I could copy all trades like that and just have them one for one. Once you set it, you'll see your available accounts and you'll drag it over here to the added accounts. And then if you want to do different risk management, you can change it here. But I use low risk, so I just want it copied all the way across. I'm not too worried about losing all the accounts at once. And if there is a case where I'm on a big down streak, I will make edits to this and maybe only trade one account at a time instead of all three. But for the most part, I trust the strategy, so I'm going to link all three. It'll say group added. So now once you added it, you're going to click this down arrow again, and you're going to click on that group. So now you have selected the group. You can see that 25K eval. Now, I do like trading with TradingView, so it's going to take me time to get used to actually trading through Tradovate, because as of now, it does not link to from TradingView over here, because when you trade in TradingView, it thinks you're just trading this account. Now, what I was hoping was that maybe the group would show up in my TradingView account, but that wasn't the case. So if I log in over here, I see my 3 accounts, but no trade group. So we'll test it next week, see how the group play goes, see if I could learn Tradovate. I'm going to spend some time with it right now and kind of go through the system. And maybe I might make a quick beginner's overview video in the future. But if you're watching this at the time of posting, Apex is running 90% off. So if you click that link down below and go to our futures funding tab, you could get in on the action just until November 7th. Otherwise, for the most part, we have that 50% off running. And if you like TradingView, link the account TradingView. You could trade straight through TradingView, which is super nice, super easy. So that's it for this one. Just wanted to make a quick video. Hope this helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe, click that thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.